Hey, Ron Ananian The Car Doctor. I'm outside. We're working on a 2019 Ford Transit. Boy, I tell you what, it's a good thing Sears, Kmart, and all the rest of them that were changing batteries so cheap 20 years ago are out of business, because here's where the battery is on a Ford Transit. You got to take the driver's seat out to get to it. Not the most convenient thing in the whole world, but you know, this is what auto repair has become now. So, you know, if you're thinking of doing this, just know what you're getting into, and understand sometimes that charge for a battery is an hour at a time, because look at what you got to go through in order to put a battery in. It kind of makes the case for changing the battery on a maintenance level on a regular basis based on time, because, you know, this is not something you're going to do real quick Saturday afternoon in the driveway. I'm Ron Ananian The Car Doctor. Thought you'd like to see it. Till the next time, see you guys on radio.
Did you miss this week's full broadcast of Ron Ananian The Car Doctor? Or maybe you want to hear certain parts of it all over again. Well, it's easy to do. Once the show airs, it then becomes a podcast. You can find it through all major podcast players and media: iHeartMedia, Google, Amazon Music, Spotify, and so much more. Use your favorite search engine and ask for Ron Ananian Podcast. Watch what happens next. Need more Ron? That's okay. Look for Ron Ananian, available via podcast, wherever podcasts are found.